Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to do a quick unboxing of my Sterling Ink July kit. I did order July. I don't know if I'm going to order August. We'll see. I did share how I was using the June kit. So now we're going to look at this July kit. And I believe I'm probably going to use this kit for Bible journaling. Let me see if I can just open it. If I can't, I will. Oh, if I can open it. So I just wanted to share quickly. I did not get the deluxe kit. I just got the basic kit. So, yeah. So let's see what's the theme for July. I kind of saw it a little bit, and it seemed like I liked the aesthetics of it. So we will see. So that is pretty. I did like the swans, but it was a bit too many. It was a lot of swans, but I am using it for my memory keeping. So here is the vellum for July. So I will share that. Oops. Oh, that is really sticking on there. So there's that pretty, the dates. And then here you get these, the standard days and dates. And then here is the vellum for the month. Oh, that is pretty. That's what I liked. I like those colors. And there's some lemons. Okay, I'm happy. Anything with lemons, I get excited about. And I'm so glad these vellum look different. So that is really pretty. I'll definitely be cutting or tearing that up. I'm using it for my journaling. And here is what you get in the deluxe basic kit. I don't even remember anymore, but it is the kit that's not the sampler and that is not the deluxe. It's just kind of like the main kit. There's a vinyl sticker. Oops. And then I will show this little envelope in a moment. Let's look at the stickers that you get, the smaller stickers that you get for the month. I like how she's putting more seams smaller and kind of giving it a little bit of extra edge. So I like that. I like the colors. I always like when she pops like this, like kind of green in there. Like more like it's kind of sage. It's a different kind of green. Yeah, this is really pretty. So there are some seams and some flowers and some seams there. Very pretty. And then here's some more seams. And then I'll just show this really quick together. The days. Those seams. And then last but not least, you get the two sticker sheets that are the same. I like that she does do that. That is really nice. I like that this month. And then in the little envelope, these are all the little goodies you get. Another little vinyl sticker. You get like a little sampler, your month tabs. You get your dates. I like how that looks. Oh, these are cute. So let's see that. You can see that. I was hoping for more lemons, but that's okay. Because I like that. I like how vibrant that looks. Look at that scenery. I like it because it's her drawing. I'm going to have to try to see how I can put that into my planner. And that's even cute. I like that. So there you go. There is a quick look at the Sterling ink. This is the $37 kit. So I know it was a little late this month, so she's going to open it up to everyone else, I think. The 15th, I think, instead of the 13th, something like that. Don't quote me on that, but if you want to get it, you have to jump on it because it goes fast. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed evening or day wherever you're at. Bye-bye.